Welcome friends to my channel SafaSoft tutorial. Today I am going to discuss you about the folder hidden options. If you want to hide a folder or file so that other user of the same computer will not detect the folder or file, so how can you do this? Now first go to my computer, then as for example you have to choose a folder or file. Now we can go to drive E, and there is a folder name Gashville. So you can also also hide a folder and also a file with the same process. So now I am giving you example how you hide a folder. Now here at the Gashville, press the right click, go to properties. Now here you can see that there is the options hidden check mark. So if as you are going to hide the Gashville folder, so you have to choose tick mark at the hidden. Now select apply. Here there is two radio button options is there. Apply changes to this folder only, apply changes to this folder, subfolder and files. Here you can see that if you want to hide all the content of these folders, the files, subfolders, then you have to choose these options, and if you want to hide only this folder, then you have to choose these options. So now we are choosing these options, then all the subfolders files will be hidden. OK button, then choose OK. It is illuminated but it is not that much lighter. So here you can see that it is the indication that this folder is hidden. So now although folder is hidden, but it is also visible. It does not serve your purpose. So how can you go back. How can you hide this folder? Now you already have chosen hidden options, these folders. Now you have to choose the options from view options, change folder and search options. Then go to view. Here you will see that there is two radio button is there. Don't show hidden files folder or drivers, and show hidden file folder and drivers. Here as show hidden files folder and drives is a tick mark, that is why your hidden folder is visible. So if you don't want to see the hidden folder, then you have to choose this button, don't show hidden files folder and drives, then click apply and OK. Here you can see that this folder is not visible. Now go back, drive E, and if another user at the same computer, if he goes to this folder, then he will not see the Gashville folder which was hidden. Now how can you turn back your hidden folder to the visible folder? Then again go to view options, change folder and search options, then go to view and click this button, show hidden files and folder, apply OK. So here you can see that your hidden folder is now visible. Then right click, properties, and uncheck the hidden, apply OK. Then you can see that both the folder are same and it is not hidden, it is open for all. This is how you can hide a folder and invisible, and also unhide and visible. Thanks. If you like this video, then comment and also subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.